I have this empty tube of toilet paper roll, and I mark off every half inch and cut with a pair of scissors. I'm just going to need one. This was a little large for me, so I cut it and made it a little smaller with a piece of Scotch tape. I took a 12-inch ruler and I'm going to wrap my red yarn around this ruler. I didn't count how many times. I just make sure I fill it quite well. And then I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut from the top and the bottom. You're going to go back to your little piece of toilet paper roll. You're going to put your yarn in half, slip the looped end through, and you're going to do like a slip knot. I'll do that again slowly, and then you're going to push everything together. You're going to take your piece of yarn, cut it in half, put the loop through, and take your other end and slip it through that loop, and then slide it together. And you're going to go all the way around with this method until your entire piece of toilet paper roll is completely full. Once full, you're going to take your yarn and you're going to slip it through your loop here to the other side. You're going to take another piece of yarn, and depending on how tall you want your hat, you're going to tie a knot. And then I usually do a second knot just to ensure that it's nice and tight. I'm going to take a little filler and stick it inside the hat to give it some shape. And then I'm going to cut the end, and you're going to make your pom-pom however high or low that you want it. I'm going to take this wood slice. It's a little bit larger. You can now get these at Dollar Tree in a set of 2. And then I have a smaller wood slice, and I'm painting these in white. And I'm kind of leaving that edge raw. And the smaller one you can get a bag usually at the Dollar Tree, sometimes Dollar General. And you're going to paint both. Once they dry, I'm going to take some wood glue and glue the smaller one on top of the larger one. I'm going to take this snowball that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it inside my hat and glue it to the top of the smaller wood piece. I'm going to take a black pipe cleaner. I'm going to bend the end and cut it, and then these are going to create eyes. I'm going to need 2. And then I'm going to take an orange pipe cleaner. I'm going to wrap it around a very small nail, and this is going to be my nose. I'm going to make 2 black dots on the smaller wood slice and then 2 on the larger, making my dots a little on the bent side as if it melted. Then I'm going to take some red yarn, I think 4 pieces of yarn, and wrap it around its neck. And then I'm going to take 2 one side, 2 on the other, and tie a knot at the bottom so that you get this little knot on each end. I did glue mine so it was in a position that I wanted it to stay. Then I took a pencil and I wrote on there, "You melt my heart." Sometimes I'll start with the last word and then go to the first word so I know exactly how to space my words out. And before I filled that in, I put a heart on the first slice with our Republic red paint and an art brush. And then I found these Sharpie paint markers, and I'm going to fill in the "You Melt My Heart" with black. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.